Many trucks and larger vehicles already have specified mounting points in the frame to which to bolt aftermarket running boards. That means you probably won't have to modify your vehicle to attach them. It's a project you can do at home. You can still install a set if you don't have the right holes, but you'll need to do some drilling and maybe tap threads into a new hole. Your running boards will have instructions. There are many products available to choose from, best running boards, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best running boards from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. OEDRO running boards. OEDRO is constructed of carbon steel and features a black powder coated finish for added durability. The steps have an anti-slip laser cut design, and OEDRO claims they're able to handle up to 550 pounds of weight. They weigh 37.5 pounds each and measure 71 inches long, with a width and height of 6 inches, respectively. They're a bolt-on accessory, with no cutting or welding required. OEDRO step bars feature a distinct drop-down step design that's perfectly compatible with the 2018 to 2022 Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door. Features a 2-stair layout to provide better convenience for vehicles with lift kits and oversized wheel tires. Also allows for easier rooftop operation. Welded brackets provide additional strength. Assembly is quick and simple with the minimum number of accessories needed. No cutting or drilling is required. Unique powder coating offers exceptional rust and corrosion resistance, so you can drive under any condition. The laser cutting step plate achieves a non-slipping step surface and reinforced grip, proven to handle up to 550 pounds. Number 2. LUVERNE Grip Step 7 running boards. When you are adding a set of running boards to your truck, the most important features are grip and durability. This is where the LUVERNE Grip Step 7 running boards stand out. Take one look at these running boards, and the first thing that stands out is the expanded metal tread design, which provides serious traction in any type of weather. And that open tread design is perfect for kicking off dirt and snow from your boots to help keep your cab clean. As for build quality, the LUVERNE Grip Step running boards are constructed of 5052H32 aluminum alloy for impressive strength. The aluminum is powder coated to keep corrosion at bay for years to come. Each set comes with high-strength vehicle-specific brackets and stainless steel fasteners. This means no drilling is required for a perfect. Number 3. iBoards running boards. iBoards running boards are modern-looking full-length running boards that come in brushed aluminum or powder-coated matte black finish, with full-length anti-slip rubber inserts. They're available in 5, 6, and 7-inch widths. They're made of 6061 aluminum so they can't rust and have a 300-pound weight rating, and mounting hardware and brackets are included. The running boards themselves are fairly low profile, but in many applications, the brackets hold them fairly far out from the vehicle, and both the brackets and mounting hardware can be visible. Depending on your vehicle, you may need to drill and tap holes. If so, you'll need your own drill, bits, step bits, and tap wrench, but not taps, which are included. Number 4. Tyger Auto Star Armor Kit. Most running boards support 250 to 300 pounds, but the beefy Star Armor set of nerve bars with side steps from Tyger Auto is rated at 500 pounds, thanks to a reinforced truss-like triple tube design. The lower rock rail style 2-inch diameter tubes with 0.120-inch thickness walls help to protect rocker panels from damage, while off-roading and help to slide over obstacles. To resist corrosion, Star Armor nerve bars have sealed ends and coated interiors. The exterior is dual-stage powder-coated for a slip-resistant surface, and all have laser-cut star pattern steps for the appropriate number of doors for your vehicle. They're available for most late-model Jeeps and full-size pickups, along with other models popular for off-roading. And the including hardware is very high quality and black oxide coated. You'll want to take extra time and care in installation to be sure they stay attached if you're off-roading. Number 5. Bully Universal Truck-Coated Side Step Set. You need is a leg up, and if you're willing to trade some time and effort to save money, you can install a set of universal cast aluminum side steps from Bully. They call them stirrups, and they are about the size of that piece of horse tack, a 3.5-inch deep textured hoop step that looks great and only weighs 3.25 pounds each. Achieving the 350-pound weight rating will depend in part on the quality of your installation. You'll also need a basic toolkit including a drill and good bits, punches, files, screwdrivers, wrenches, and sockets. Bully recommends twist drills, but it would be worth having a high-quality set of step drill bits on hand, too. Some installations also require bending the universal bracket. The advantage of the universal installation is these step bars are usable on older SUVs and trucks, for which there are no custom parts. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.